What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Now in this video I am going to be seeing what happens if I play Slender, I'm going to be seeing what happens if I watch a, if I watch a scary video at night. So we're just gonna see what happens if I watch a scary video at night. And if you enjoy this video, then be sure to drop a like, and that'll be much appreciated. So let's get right into it. So it's 9 o'clock a.m. So I am going to be watching some scary videos and I'm going to see what happens. So scary videos. Some scary videos. Alright, we're gonna be seeing, so let's look up SmileDog. We are gonna be seeing if we look at SmileDog, and so we're basically gonna be seeing what happens. So I'm going to see what happens if I look at SmileDog images at 9 o'clock a.m. at night. And I don't think anything will happen, but just to be sure, so this is the first one we're looking at. Let me just look around real quick. Alright, don't see anything else, let's just look. Alright. Wait a minute, what the heck? What the heck? I'm pretty sure that I just saw something standing right in the corner of my room. I'm pretty sure I did. Oh well, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video right here, guys. So if you guys enjoy